The women of Jerusalem weep over Jesus.
Jesus, Jesus, you are a holy man.
Weep, not for me, but your children.
We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you, because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world.
Son, I want you to do some work of mine in the market. Could you do, please?
No, I have some urgent works. I will do it tomorrow.
No, son, it is important. Since my health is not all right, I am requesting you to help me out. You are my son, right?
No, I can't. You do your work by yourself.
See the condition of my son. I brought him up with love and care, but now he is not ready to help me.
The parents of youth worried about their future because youth do not listen or accept their reality. They do as they like only for their self-benefit. The youth see they are right and everyone must obey them. Otherwise, the old generation will be thrown out. Prayer. Lord Jesus, you were also a youth during your days. You showed us how we should listen to our parents through an example when you were remained in the temple and your mother came in and found you and you went with her to your home. Help us to practice that obedience with our parents and with those who are elder to us. Have mercy on us, O Lord. Have mercy on us.